A few years ago, I worked on a very important, complicated system. Everyone in the company was relying on me. It went great. I was ahead of schedule, and everything worked as expected. All I had left to do is push a button and deploy the code to production. It was almost weekend, so I asked the team, should I deploy to production or wait? They told me, definitely wait. But I said, it's running on staging for over a week. What can go wrong? So I pushed the button and deployed to production. Well, it's that everything can go wrong. We had a cascade failure, major outage, nothing worked. We spent lots of hours in order to stabilize the system. Once the system was stabilized, the first thing that my team did was go to Amazon and buy me this t-shirt. The second thing that my team did, we thought, why do we need staging environment? If the code was running there for over a week and we didn't catch the bug, why are we keep using it? So today, I'm going to show you how we can eliminate staging environment, and by that, improve the quality, reduce the cost, and increase our development process. So hello, my name is Alon Nativ, and I love to test my code in production. I work at Tomorrow.io. So let's start and see why do we have so many environments. And it all starts with this graph. This 20 years old graph that says that fixing a bug in production costs us about 25 times more than fixing it on a development machine. 25 times more. Think about it for a second. It means that if it takes us 1 day to fix a bug on a development machine, it will take us about a month to fix it on production. Now, we know that's not true. That graph was relevant to the days that in order to fix a bug in production, we had to go to the client and physically update the server that he had in order to deploy a version. The real graph looks more like this. The sooner we find a bug, the faster that we fix it. So by adding more environment, we're fixing slower the bugs and moving slower. So let's see how we can test our code in production. Need a few tools for that. The first thing that we need is fast rollbacks. And the reason that we need fast rollbacks, you will make mistake. Everyone make mistake. But you all need this magical undo button that you can click on it and everything goes back to normal. The difference between a 5-minute rollback to an hour rollback is the difference between a successful company and a failure one. So make sure that your rollbacks are fast. The second thing is feature flags. Feature flags allow us to deploy a feature to production and open it to a specific user. You can open it only to yourself, to your team, to PMs, internal user, beta tester, 20% of the traffic, whatever you want. If something goes wrong, you don't like something, you can easily close it. You can easily implement it by using config.cat, latch darkly, or any other service. It's really easy. It's just one line of code. So just pick one. It's really easy to migrate between them and do it. If you don't have flags, start to do it tomorrow. The last thing that I want to talk about is canary deployment. Now, canary deployment allows us to roll back a version slowly and gradually. And if there is a problem in one of the metrics, it will roll back to normal. So you can open traffic 5%, 10%, 50%. You always monitor your production. And if something goes wrong, you automatically have a backup that will close the traffic. Now, in order to do that, we are using Moshe. Moshe is our head of DevOps. But sadly for you, you don't have a Moshe. So you can use Argo for that. And with Argo rollbacks, you can do that. So to summarize, you can test your code in production if you have the right safety gears. If you will do that, you can increase the velocity, reduce the cost, and improve the quality of your system. Thank you very much. I was Alon Nativ.